If you could get him to have a routine medical exam, maybe I
The
could.
thing is, the guy, I'm almost naive. I guess anyone would be in an alien environment, but I don't sense a threat of criminal intent or dishonesty about it.
Thought about the damage to his ship.
He didn't exactly lie.
He didn't exactly tell the truth either.